Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to cold storage wallet. So first thing you need to do is open up your Robinhood app and then click on this crypto tab from the bottom of your screen. After that, you will see this similar screen. From here, you have to click on this search icon and then you need to search for the specific currency that you want to transfer. So I will just search for Bitcoin and then select the Bitcoin from search results. Then you will see this similar screen. From here, you have to scroll down and you will find these two options, send and receive. You have to click on this send button and then you just have to enter the amount how much you want to transfer in your cold storage wallet and then click on this continue button. After that, just simply you need to click on this enter manually button at the bottom of your screen. Then it will give you this option where you can simply paste the wallet address. So you need to open up your cold storage wallet app such as Ledger Live or any other app that you have with your cold storage wallet. So I'm going to use this Ledger Live app and then you have to click on my devices or my Ledger option, and from here you have to allow this action on your device and then you just have to select install the application for cryptocurrency that you are receiving. In our case we are receiving Bitcoin, so I will just click on this install button right next to the Bitcoin, and once you do that your application will be installed in your device. Then you can click on this accounts option from the left sidebar and then just go to this screen, and from here click on add account, and from there you have to click on this box, and from the list of cryptocurrencies you need to select the cryptocurrency that you are receiving. I will just select Bitcoin, and once you do that you need to click on continue and follow the on-screen instructions to add your account. And once your account has been added you need to click on this receive button, and from in this box you have to select the Bitcoin again and then click on continue, and then you just need to open the Bitcoin app in your Ledger device. And once you do that you will be able to get your wallet address for your cryptocurrency. You just have to click on this copy icon right next to the wallet address, and then you can go back to the Robinhood app and then paste the wallet address in this area and then click on review. After that it will just ask you to confirm details, make sure your wallet address and the amount and network is correct. You have to make sure that the network is same in both of your cold storage wallet and your Robinhood app. So once you confirm these details, click on transfer, and once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred from Robinhood to your cold storage wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.